What's up, leftover people? Welcome back to another episode of Leftover Guys. I know we've been away for quite a while and you guys have probably missed us, but today we're gonna do something special. So before we start cooking, I'm gonna introduce you guys to the guy behind the camera, my very own brother, Kai, who is the producer.
Hey, what's up?
Welcome
everybody?
on the set. What do we have for leftovers today?
Actually went through the fridge and I found some ham and some cheese. I found some cheese. Do you know when's the expiry date for the cheese?
When, man?
It's today, man.
Still can,
Yeah,
Okay.
still can.
Okay. What else do we have?
Bread.
Okay,
Yeah.
bread is something that everybody throws away.
Yeah.
You don't finish it. Okay, so I've got an idea right now. Probably a very traditional French dish. It's called a Croque Monsieur.
Yeah, a Croque Monsieur.
You have probably never heard of it, right?
I've heard of it, man. I can explain it to you.
Okay.
Explain it. Do you know what does croque mean?
What?
Croque actually means in French to crunch.
Okay.
And Monsieur is Mr. in French. So you put it together, it's Mr. Crunch.
But why? Why I don't get why is it got to be Mr. Man?
I got no idea, man.
You know why? Let me tell you why, man.
Why?
Because of the white sauce.
The bechamel. It's called bechamel.
So I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But
You're sick, man.
yeah, I probably am. Okay,
Mr.
so
Crunch. Yeah, Croque Monsieur, it has to be very crunchy. So are you gonna make it crunchy?
yes,
today?
I will make it super crunchy. So without further ado, let's start cooking. Let's go.
Have you guys ever seen a very beastie Croque Monsieur? Let me show you, man. This is a beast of a Croque Monsieur. Okay, let's take a bite. Wow.
Wow.
This is good, man. Wow. It's not too overpowering. I can really taste the bechamel. It's got this very nice fragrant nutmeg kind of smell. It's really good, man.
This is actually very good. No, not bad. I like it. I'm gonna bring it to the kitchen.